Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your graphic assets with Unsplash, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Type Unsplash in the search bar and press enter. Click on the first link that appears to access the Unsplash homepage. Once on the homepage, take a moment to explore the layout. Notice the search bar at the top. This is where you'll search for specific graphics. If you have a particular theme in mind, enter relevant keywords into the search bar. Press enter to see a variety of images related to your search. Browse through the images that appear. Click on any image that catches your eye for a closer look. On the image page, you'll see details like the photographer's name and the image's download options. Find the download button, usually located on the right side. Click the download button to save the image to your device. Consider the image dimensions to ensure they fit your project needs. Return to the home page to search for additional images if needed. Use different keywords to explore a wider range of graphic options. When you find images that you like, repeat the download process. Organize the downloaded images in a specific folder on your device. This will make it easier to access your graphic assets later. If you're using these images for a project, consider adjusting their size or formatting. Use graphic editing software to enhance or modify the images as needed. Finally, credit the photographers if your project allows for it. Now you have a collection of high-quality images from Unsplash to upgrade your graphic assets. Enjoy the creative process with your new visual resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.